Hello and welcome to channel Unlocks Hub. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to remove iCloud activation lock or basically bypass iCloud activation lock using the Checkra1n jailbreaking tool and some hacking codes. You can see it says iPad mini connected in iOS 12.4.5, which is the latest iOS version available for an iPad mini. Let me just confirm the activation lock for you. So this iPad here is currently iCloud locked, and we'll be bypassing this iCloud lock using the Checkra1n tool, and it is also on the latest iOS version 12.4.5. Before I start the process, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post a new video. Click on the start button, click on next so that the device will be put to recovery mode. So this is the recovery mode. Now you have to put the device into DFU mode. You can follow the on-screen instructions. Click on start and hold the home button and the power button simultaneously. As soon as the Apple logo disappears, let go of the power button, keep pressing the home button. And the device is now in DFU mode. You can see the installation has started. It says error here, do not worry. Click on no and continue with it. All these codes confirm the installation of the jailbreak. It says booting there. All you have to do is just continue even if it says an error. All such fake errors are common in jailbreaking, hacking softwares. You would probably know that if you are into this. It says all done. Let me just click on done. It is in the hello screen. Let me just confirm the iOS version here. It is 12.4.5. That is the latest iOS version. Open the Checkra1n text file and open terminal window. Copy the first line of command and paste it. Click on enter once again. Let me move this a bit so I can see it clearly. It says installation successful here. Now just close this and open terminal once again. Copy the first command and paste it. Copy the iProxy command and paste it. It says waiting for connection. Now let me just move this a bit and right click on this terminal and open a new window. Now just copy the next command and paste it in the new window. It says host key verification failed, and if you get this error, just type in open space .ssh and click on enter and right click and move to bin. Close this and paste the previous command once again and type in yes. Password would be ALPINE. Click on enter. Sorry about that. Copy the next command and paste it. Next line and paste it. This is to clear the UI cache, and now just sorry about the iPad, it's just falling off. Just copy the last command and paste it here and wait for the iPad to turn on. And you can see it is now in the hello screen, and the home button is unresponsive. So this is stuck because it is running on the latest iOS version. Just wait for the iPad to restart. You can see it is stuck. Now let's just turn off this iPad. Just wait for the iPad to turn on completely. And you can see the magic right here. Wait for the Checkra1n to install, and you can download the Cydia application using that as well. So this way you can bypass the iCloud lock on an iPad. Please wait for some time so that the Checkra1n application will show up here. This iPad is now completely iCloud bypassed, and the final step was the very important step. You have to just restart the iPad, nothing else, and your iPad will be iCloud bypassed. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up button and click on the subscribe button. Please do share this video with your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post a new video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.